a prop trader is one of the ways of earning a living through trading. If you've not heard about prop trading, then you need to watch this video. Welcome to the Financial Market Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about Forex, cryptocurrency, and the stock market. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you can do that now and like our previous videos. In this video, we will learn how to be a prop trader. A prop trader is also known as a proprietary trader. Proprietary trading is one of the ways one can gain financial freedom. Prop trading is not as easy as making the sound prop, but it is a way of making some huge profit trading. To become a successful prop trader, you must know what prop trading is, understand the advantages and disadvantages, get licensed and fund your account. You must also have a passion for trading, research prop trading firms, and get started on the right foot. What is prop trading? Prop trading or proprietary trading occurs when a trader accesses a firm's capital to make trades. The trader deposits with the firms, and in so doing, the firm makes additional capital available to the trader. This allows traders to magnify their upside potential. A prop trader can deposit $10,000 and trade $200,000 or more worth of securities at a time. In exchange for the capital access, the firm charges the trader commissions and fees. For profitable traders, the additional capital can prove to be highly lucrative since they are working with a larger amount of money. Of course, the downside risk is equally magnified. What you need to understand about prop trading. First things first, you should understand the advantages of proprietary trading. The number one reason to become a prop trader is access to firm capital. If you don't have this in mind, then how can you make it as a prop trader? A typical retail account gives you 2 to 4 times leverage. So if you have $10,000 in your account, you can trade $20,000 or $40,000 worth of securities at a time. Prop traders can trade the firm's capital, magnifying your buying power. In a $10,000 account, that is $200,000 for intraday trading and $80,000 for overnight trading. Prop trading also offers direct market access, giving you total control over your executions. Some retail trading firms offer direct market access. However, you will not be able to trade firm capital the way prop traders can. Prop trading also gives you lifestyle flexibility. While you must abide by your firm's rule and comply with regulatory requirements, your P&L is your boss. You set your hours and you work the way you want to work. And of course, your paycheck is entirely determined by your ability to make trading profits. Who is a prop trader? A prop trader is a trader who executes an assortment of market strategies by accessing a firm's capital. Strategies used may include index arbitrage, statistical arbitrage, merger arbitrage, fundamental analysis, volatility arbitrage, technical analysis, and/or global macro trading. 5 top ways to make it as a prop trader. Here are the major things to do to be successful as a prop trader. 1. Make sure you love trading and the markets. It is not enough to go into proprietary trading solely because of the money. Truth be told, trading is very challenging. You must love this art to make it as a prop trader. So, if you're not following the markets closely right now and preferably you're trading as well, odds are you're not cut out for prop trading. Seriously, if you're looking for a way to get rich fast, this business is not for you. You need to be passionate about it to pull through and get the money. 2. Make your research about trading. If you must go into prop trading, you must know how to trade and make research on trading firms. One of the most important decisions you will make is what prop trading firm to join. You want to ensure any firm can accommodate you. For example, you may need to trade remotely from your home, or you may want to trade in a specific city. We strongly recommend only considering fully registered and regulated firms with a history in the business. Non-registered firms that do not require licensing may operate under hedge fund structures that put your capital deposits at risk. You may not be eager to study for regulatory exams, but working with a registered firm can make you safer. And of course, make sure your firm has the asset classes you need, like equities, options, and all futures. 3. Prepare yourself for a prop trader interview. Prop trading firms will interview you to determine whether you're a good fit, so be ready to discuss exactly why you're interested in prop trading and why you think you will succeed. If you have a trading experience, even at a very basic level, be ready to talk about it, specifically where you think you've done well and where you need to improve. A good firm will also want you to know about you as a person. 4. Get mentored by experienced traders and self-learning. When you're getting started, you must work with experienced traders and learn as much about trading as possible. Get someone who will be ready to make time one-on-one and group conversations to help you get acclimated to the industry. If your knowledge base is not expanding rapidly, you're doing something wrong. 5. Begin paper trading, then go live. Paper trading is an ideal way to get yourself used to your trading platform and tech setup, which reduces the chance of error when you trade with real money. Paper trading is also a good way to test drive certain strategies and train your brain to execute trades after spotting setups. Just remember that paper trading is a perfect substitute for real money trading because having capital at risk has a major impact on your psychology. Assuming you pay your exams and fulfill your regulatory requirements, it's time to go live. That means leaving the simulator behind and risking real capital in real market conditions. If you followed all the steps in this guide, hopefully you will at least be in the position to succeed. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Hope to see you on our next video. You can get more videos on this channel by clicking the subscription button. Don't forget to also like the video. Note that this video is not financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.